Hi, I'm Mark Scrivens. We run a building company, CMR Property Solutions. However, I'm currently renovating our property that we've purchased due to my wife's illness. We needed a bungalow and not a house, which is a full renovation, including a re-roof and total refurbishment inside.
This project behind us here is a perfect example of where Pasquill can really help. The client wanted a room in the roof, and the attic truss here has been the perfect example because it's pre-made off-site with the room shape already created, so it can save a lot of time on site and make it a lot easier for the customer.
We've teamed up with Pasquill. They're timber experts. They manufacture roof trusses, I-beams, floor joists, amongst a number of other options. This gives us a wide opportunity for our customers to get everything under one roof. They're experts. We can seamlessly give these products to our customers through a one-stop solution by just sending a drawing to the Pasquill's office.
So once the customer comes into Selco with their drawings, the lead time is normally about 3 to 5 days to get the quote back, and then once they want to place the order, it's 2 weeks to get it from point of approval to on-site and delivered.
We've used Selco for this project, and I have used them for several years prior to that. Become quite of a close friend to the manager at Sturchley branch, Michael, who's been a right-hand man to me during this project, supplying me with materials.
Mark has been using us over the project, ordering a number of bits of materials. He's got my phone number and he phones me reasonably regularly and asks me to place an order here and an order there, saving him the hassle of having to come in the branch to place the orders over the phone. And we've been able to deliver them to the site so they can crack on with the project. And that's a really big part of what we do at Selco, providing customers with great service.
With regards to non-stock products, yeah, if you think you've got a project that you're doing, you can't see that product available in Selco, speak to the branch manager or one of the trade sales managers or the trade sales guys, ask them what you need and we'll find that solution through one of our partners across the UK.